Barrier is a software you can use to control your few computers from a single mouse and keyboard. You can download this software for macOS. You can download this for Linux, and you can also download this for Windows computer. Here are the links. I'll have a link in the description below so you can download them and have fun with that. So downloading Barrier for Linux, and I have downloaded macOS as well, and downloading for Windows as well. Once it's done, install them into different computers, and then I'll show you how to configure. Once the downloads finish for macOS, I'll be showing you how to install it in macOS. Click on the file and install. So downloading Barrier on the main computer. So macOS is my main computer and Windows 8 on my laptop. So I want to share my mouse and keyboard from this computer to the other computer I have. To do that, I need to download Barrier and install them on both. So need permission to, because it's a third-party app. Security and privacy. Once you go to system preferences, go to security and privacy, and from here you have to click to make changes. Click here and put your password in. And once it's done, click on open anyway. See, it says Barrier was blocked, so now it's opening. So open system preferences. There it is. Allow this app below, control your computer. Yeah, okay, click that. Should be fine. Click here again to install. Open. Click on continue. So you will get a choice saying, is this a server or is this a client? So what it's saying is server computer. So this is the main computer, so I'm gonna click server. And if it was a second or third computer, I'll click as a client computer. So as long as this is the main computer, I will click on server. Done. Click on allow, and then click on start. The Barrier will start. Allow. Here is now connected, and now we have to go to the second computer or third computer. Installed Barrier on macOS and Barrier on my other laptop I have on the left hand side on Windows Server. what I'm gonna do is I'm going to type in this MAC IP address in that Windows Server machine I have. So here it is, setting it up. Go to client server and drag the other unnamed, so we can name it Windows WIN hyphen 709 HV C8 A 954. Okay, so typed in that computer name in this computer on Mac, and then click OK, and click OK, and click reload. This IP address 192.168.0.250 in that client box, and what we'll do, we'll reload. Click on reload, so click on barrier and then reload. Here we go. As you can see, mouse has been disappeared from Windows Server. And if I go here and see how it's working, if I go left, mouse appears on the Windows Server, and if I go right on Windows Server, mouse appears here. So I'll go a little bit further back. Here is my mouse, and if I go left, mouse appears here on that Windows Server, and if I go right, mouse appears here. This is the main computer, and mouse, if I go right, it comes to this screen, and if I go left, it goes to this screen, and then if I go further left, which goes to that laptop here. And this way, if I go right and then go even right, comes here. So this way you can share single mouse and keyboard with as many computers as you want. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe